Come make we mash up the place, you know. Come make we turn up the place, you know. If them ever make we go so one.
People come back to The Fix. It's a boy now here with Ari. And we have a whole bakery in our building. A whole before we get to that, we have to say big up to a sponsor them, you know. Daylight Ibiza Atelier the Chic happening October 21st. Heroes Day. I got have music by Chromatic, A-Team, Codeland, and Little Richie. For more information, you can follow them on Instagram at Daylight Ibiza or daylightibiza.com. Also, a big up Cellcare Jamaica for the finest in iPhones, Androids, phone repair, electronics, you name it, unlocking, them do it all, you see me? Follow Cellcare JA. You can follow them at Cellcare JA on Instagram. They are at their new location at Pristine Plaza, Shop 15. That's 15 Eastwood Park Road. You don't know, so you can contact them on the number that you see on the screen right now. You don't know, so you have to big up to Crispy Cool AC. Neil say Krispy Kreme. No, Crispy Cool AC. Air conditioners, solar water heaters, water pumps, fans, tank and tankless water heaters. You name it. If you want them repaired, you want them fixed, you want them install it, they do it all.
Yep.
And they offer their services island-wide.
Yep.
Shout out to Crispy Cool AC, them fix with AC.
Yes.
Fully in the room. Here, walk and talk or complain about it, them saw that out. So big up Crispy Cool AC. As I said, people, we have a whole goddamn bakery in the building right now. Quick, you know. Quick. See there.
Man,
Friend of the show.
You got like 3 songs on the road right now. Active, balanced people. But you're having the most success with active.
Yeah, man, great look.
Yeah. What do you think about that song there? Why?
Song they are kicking up.
Yo, that song they are paint every place like Berger.
I
tell you.
Man. It a cook.
Major attention on it, global, yard and abroad.
How produce it?
Bread organization.
Yes,
yes,
produced
he
by
was
Bread
saying
Organization.
yes.
Music.
And he did say that the last time. Like,
you just keep focused on the label. So when I say, because once you believe in something, you have to just do it, you know. If you never believe in the fits, how it work?
True.
Amount of discrimination and you're still there, hold it, you see?
Which is
when
right.
They start, them never believe, you know.
You are correct.
Told me come get #1 song with Future from Apple Music.
Don't make them forget that neither.
Yeah, so
don't make them forget that.
Big up Future from #1 bread organization sell on Apple. Big up to Bobby Smyrna for post a song. It's a good logo. Whole New York, one organization. Bread.
You know more you talk about the work that you put in to build the organization. Tell them how much work you have to put in to build it to where it's at right
You know,
now.
say about 3 decades, you know, what a work, you know.
Damn.
You see me I say, cause for build the organization, it not easy. 3 decades. You notice the one them a pop up quick and fast and disappear. Nobody no remember them.
Yeah.
You see me? Yeah, man. So literally speaking, you have to just believe in a production and just keep on working. Cause when I start this, you know, I believe in it. I'm go around some of the greatest producer them. You see me I say, acknowledge them work and them movements. That's why you see me can there around you so strong. And fit in the music. If I put out a song, it have well produced, it have well mixed, it have master, don't anchor up a tough gang. And I look for the baddest mixer. You see me I say big up to Red Boom, you see me big up to Sing Pack. You see me? And them youth, they big up to Lenky, some youth where I steer the music over the ears and I put in some great work. You see me? Yeah man, big R.I.P. to Diddy, you know? He mixed the Money at the Target project. Yeah, and him just pass off, you know. You don't know, condolence to the whole family. Me don't know really go on, but you don't know, we have to respect who, and him put out a great work. So we have to just give him thumbs up. Big up to Diddy, the whole of Linstead.
Wow.
Big up.
R.I.P. But I mean, even with the active song, like it touching into like all time, clearly Bogle is the inspiration.
Yeah man, all time bad Mr. Waki the teacher.
So why you thought it was necessary to bring him up in this song?
Alright, you know me in the street at night time, you know. Cause you know me respond for the street from them time there until now. So when me go out in the street, me take notes. You see me? And observe what I go on. Cause remember me have a song before called Hot Drift. Pan DJ Mac rhythm. Where him not acknowledge, nor put out, but big up yourself, DJ Mac. You know what I say? Yeah.
Oh, go on, Mr. Put I'm not put it out.
I
Jaja.
don't know. Me even spend like over $300,000 video.
Jaja.
With KD, have the whole of the skanker them, KFC, food, dancers and
Wait. You do a video before the song release?
when
The song was supposed to be released?
you know the rhythm out.
Yeah.
He never give me no permission.
Oh.
So me don't want him get it wrong and me not bash him. But the rhythm was nice. I see crazy artists jumping on the rhythm. So you don't know quick cook. Me check say I was one of the favorite them, but no. I not get no response. I do a nice song, mix it, master it myself, do a video. All I was asking for just put it out, see me in the street. Him say, yeah man, try to tweet him, Instagram, no response. But you don't know, we put in the work, see me. That's why I never look on the next rhythm when drop Fiesta. You see what I say? Me just keep focus and go find active.
Yeah.
Because more time some youth come in the street and you plan to give them a strength, you know. And if I them for look, them now look, me don't know what go on, but we have to acknowledge you them in the street who build this and set this.
True.
You see what I say? Because we're one of the founder them, you know. And we know this youth to raise youth and raise champion. And him a put in some great work, but just acknowledge you them in the street, bro. Yeah man, no disrespect.
Them thing that still happen with other producers with you?
Huh?
Them type of thing that happen with other producer with you?
With me?
Yeah.
You know, more voice on the rhythm, them will give me it. And when me check a socket to come out like in a second batch.
Oh, okay.
And that kind of break the momentum of the song, all when the song bad. Cause if a DJ get a first batch, that's the batch he's focusing on.
Yeah.
You have to be like a Kartel or a Mavado or a Bounty Killer or a Assassin for, you know? Them trying to keep focus and say, all right, who want the song here? But quick cook where them not really acknowledge my presence, them must say, oh, him an artist. But me I gotta show them what I go on, cause things take time, you know.
Yeah.
You see what I say? When we build a house, them never believe it. Till it done, them look and say, wow, that I go on. Me believing in myself, you know. You see, from me believing in myself, nobody can tell me nothing. You see what I say? Cause
As
me
you
come
should.
build through the round, so when me see enough artists in a this and a build none. And when me come do, I have to give myself a thumbs up. Yeah, man.
bro.
Believe, kill and believe, cure.
And we need for father this to the free. I know we're not
Right?
We need
next
give us an
interview.
invitation.
Yes.
Invitation.
We need for.
Yeah,
and we
we
might just make Javi voice something up there.
No problem, man.
Yeah, we might.
Bring
just-
Javi come in, man.
Yes, man.
Show the fully acknowledge, you know. If you want to do it before me cut out, because you know Canada up, you know, in a couple of
Ja.
days, in a just couple of
Booked
hours.
and busy,
you know,
my friend.
Booked and
Yeah.
busy.
Yeah.
When that show there?
yeah. Huh?
When that show there? When that Canada show there?
Yeah, literally speaking, you don't know October the 10th, you see me? I say?
Oh, so
Yeah,
that's
man.
not, yeah.
And you have
Sweet.
one September the 27th again. You see me? Promoter do the right thing and now call your name. Can't have a posters out and Jamaica most famous are dep on it. What you do to me?
What am I do? Well, then not name it on the poster.
I not tell you, man.
Wait, were you booked for the event?
No, I'm not book, but you know I'm a business partner. He's the one who I produce a song with. One umbrella. And I see him have a poster as a surf around the place. And
Umbrella brunch?
No, umbrella branch.
Umbrella.
One umbrella from Canada.
Oh.
Yeah. Me I show you up on the interview, do the right thing. Ram put me thing, bro. That me I try.
So it sounds like you're gonna go. It sounds like you're gonna go to the event, even though you're not booked.
No, literally speaking, me I roam here now, you know.
Where is it?
Me I roam.
Rome.
Me I roam.
Oh,
You see what I say?
yeah.
Yeah, cause you know the thing up and pranging, so me go make a one surf in Canada, make a one surf in America, cause you know me have to go check baby fast. Couple hours from now and birthday, so you know a history.
Mad thing.
You see what I say?
Yeah, bless
Happy
up baby
birthday,
fast,
baby
eh?
fast. Quick.
Bless up, baby, fast way.
Yeah, him call me today. I said, Daddy fix things, you know. So you know, say, Western Union, look out for me, 3:30 tomorrow.
It is right.
Western.
is
What?
right.
You can't do that. Well, by the
It
time
is
it's out, you're good.
You can fix things. Remember last time I give some people on TikTok a beat. Quick cook the people.
Yeah, I
and
don't
the
really
people
beat.
a gear back a beat.
No, I want somebody try her for me and she not really relevant. You see me? I
How
say?
that again?
Yeah, me not call her name, you know. You see me?
A beauty thing? Probably.
Because me just show my car out there and she pick it up. Wish me and no problem. Me just make a big figure speech and I try explain my
point of view.
My point of view.
Yeah.
It's all about me. Me not really business what you want or she want or him want do. Me have to protect my image. You see what I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, my music status. Cause one mistake you make, you buck your toe, you're not good again,
Facts.
Yeah, that's what I stay out of people way. Yeah, man.
But your stance not change pan the whole TikTok.
No, you see TikTok,
Weird.
it never on its own, So what tick and what tack, just go and tick and tack. You see what I say? Yeah, man, big up to what do the thing and I do the right thing and I do what them have to do. But me not surf around the other side. And I really, my part of channel. You see me, because you see, as an artist, me not feel like you follow up TikTok. You see me? You have to do too much talking. And as an artist, I went showtime people for see and acknowledge your presence. So if I see you on a TikTok 24/7, 48/4, a joke thing, you can't find a song. Because you literally have to focus on round you. So, oh, you're going to make $1. Oh, you're going to get the lion. Oh, you're going to get the wheel. Because all in a year, is to make the money. Because that's what TikTok is all about. Making the bread. You see what I say?
But to them, it's like them a pre-say, oh, there's the bread there.
Bread
the artist
round there.
thing probably never there bring them as much bread as it was
No, right now,
on TikTok.
man all buy beam out tight, Benz out tight, car out tight.
So that's why people
Girl
say
out
don't
tight,
knock it.
house out tight. Me not bash nobody, but me can't maintain the TikTok status. This is quick cook. I passed that stage already. Early in my career, I would have maintained when I start. But right now, a serious time, as like what Egyptians say. You see what I say?
Just talk to him what they too.
Yeah. Baby fast Godfather, man. Him make baby fast born. Man.
One thing, a baby fast real Godfather?
In a real life, I think I toast me a toast.
Jaja.
Yeah, man.
See,
If I never Egyptian, man. I don't know.
Portmore link too.
Yeah, man, one organization, man. Give half a meal, you know what I think? Oh, give half a meal, big up in it.
Yeah, so we can't have you and ask how you feel about Kartel being free.
Yeah.
How you feel about
No, it's a jar, you know. If you see one of the champion, them out, you know, and stunting, you know. Yeah, man, cause a freedom. Yeah. Freedom is a must.
I seen the Dindas, one of your songs now, I think about in 2002, from behind a bars, like in the guitar strength.
Yeah, we get a post one night time. Is a man I believe in I thing, you know, because you don't know, you know, Kartel is a real youth, you know. Me not have a problem with the DJ, you know.
But you did leave a cassava piece during them time, right?
Yeah, man, the cassava piece me even still him.
Yeah.
Remember me in the runway, you know.
Yeah.
Like some man who can't come back, you know. You see me I say?
We are talking. We are talking.
No, me not.
I know who he's talking. If you make me know who him talking.
No, yeah, me not.
Enough people don't know who we attack and them want to know who we attack.
No,
Yes.
only my people run away, you know.
Yeah.
You see me I say?
Two
So,
people run away.
Yeah. How much people?
Two.
Two.
Harry.
Harry, see you.
Yeah, Harry.
Yeah, go
Stay
on.
out tight.
True. You're right.
I have no idea.
I have no idea
That's
too.
why I asked him to say who
I don't know.
Yeah, man,
either.
a cassava piece me born and grow, man.
Yeah.
Nah, I left the gully, man. You see me? If people got foreign and come back, man.
Yeah, but yeah, I mean that gully Gaza thing, I'll put aside. No make no sense now. So, but I guess you're just happy, and I've seen that you've been calling for unity.
No, unity is strength.
Yeah.
I've been calling for unity, and I yesterday and today. You see me say, who no see that? Last. Remember me say unity, you know, when me check a sack, you know. A elephant man, me say go in a big New York, you know, one show, a ball out. Ding dong, no talk to me, I beg you to make him link me. Less than 3 minutes, a backstage, me say shaking and I go, me say, watch ya. Time catch up on them.
Yeah.
Them have to sister love and love alone.
True.
And then me see Mr. Lexus ball out. Elephant man, unblock me now. Come on.
Yeah.
Ellie love black people, you see.
He does. I would have to beg for Smarty to and say, Ellie, come black that you
Ellie,
know, come.
unblock quick cook for me there.
He black you too.
Call me the man black.
Why?
I don't know. Must try Jamaica most famous.
Come on. Ellie's Jamaica's most famous.
Ellie,
Come on.
unblock quick cook.
Ellie. And
Unblock
sometimes I
Mr.
just
Lex.
time do them thing that as you acknowledge. I just time.
Hey, but you know if you block the DJ. Because remember, we're not business with nobody.
Yeah.
When me look, me can't say, Ellie, me have a next page when me I work, I'm just come say, boom, and look around there. You see me, come and him never have a problem. When me a juvenile, you know, me I show you something.
You have a burner.
He is
You
a
have
film
burner,
star.
you have
Me
a
I show you
film
something. You say me a juvenile. But they are man in the road, you know. And Elia look for a girl in them time them super hot a bun up in. And so the gas station there over there so the girl there in, but him buck up on me. And my next party and I ask, yo, I wear the prayer name. And me give him some info, me never forgot them thing there.
You give a fire?
No, me just make him know say over there say place there, man. I like him just a come up town and I really know and I ask here, but you don't know we are on the road them time like taxi. You see me as a juvenile. You see we up on the front of the road because we grow in the street, you know. Yeah, man, cassava peas.
As a juvenile.
As a juvenile. Out, man.
So history there.
History there, man.
So Blackin shouldn't have go on this affair.
Yeah, man.
Well, Quick Cook is fine. Him use him other account. Oh, God.
I say, no, like, we see them thing there, like the unity, we see I go on the NY. No, good
yo, see, NC Cartel come again and ball out. Squash, man. Labas. Daddy one. 6 is real. A unity my ball for this, sir. Daddy. You saw a show big in New York and a be a Jamaican dancehall artist step on it.
Yeah.
And that more the artist them to know who want about them unity there in a dancehall. If Cartel set that show the right way and put on couple some act where people not expect. Yet watch how I go and stadium can't hold.
Yo, quick. If Vybz show up to that show then.
No, a double trouble.
Gee.
Police them have to go free up Vybz there, you know, like system. Yeah, them corrupt. Remember Boom Boom just put him on a party and when me looking.
Yeah.
And the JDF page me say warrant out in so me know what kind of intimidation them have the DJ under.
Wow.
You see me? So father have to just fix things with him lawyer and try call all station boy and find out if him have a warrant or what one. Because him can do them something and know the matter and come turn up for the show. You see me? I say, I mean, I want the system to corrupt the artists them. You see me? Because when they done that show man son already, you know, what kind of charge you know have upon him again? You see me? I say? Because if Boom Boom is a selector, put him on a show and then me see the page.
JCF page.
JCF. I say warrant is out. I want big intimidation that, you know. You see me? I say like them, I say him not for comeback boy, you know.
Well,
if them put out that, me not come back. Me not give up my freedom. Come do
that's what I'm saying. It's not intimidation.
The system terrible boy, you know. You know much man them dash a boy. You know much man mad in a prison, mad in a jail. What make you think you hear the DJ I say him no want go back. A hell round there, cause him go face it. All this time him never know what go on. Seeing is believing. You see what I say? And him go see what go around there and know it's not a easy road.
He did the run Cartel at one point, no?
Yeah, man, Cartel, no, my DJ, I'm done, man, one night time, man. Until now, man, nothing change, man. I love and love alone, man. You see me, I say? Cartel a good youth, man. Big up your world boss,
Which
man.
crew that say was closer to joining? Bogle or Gaza?
Closer to join?
Yeah.
What you mean by that?
Like say you would have...
No joining in my team.
Percentage say maybe me could have joined Gully, maybe could have joined Gaza. At no point. No.
Yo, you see, if you cut me in a two, you get half Gaza and half Gully.
good answer.
You see me, I say?
So there was no one where it's the closer to joining.
No, remember me live on the Gully, you know, and the war I go on well at with Gaza and Gully, you know. This is a macking thing and a toasting thing, you know. I me never set up a youth yet. I've made it an informer, me dead already.
Wow.
I'm there around the Gaza years.
I would have easy if you put that label there on you for real.
You see what I say? I've made earth a you, Jai that earth me. Do good and good shall follow.
True.
Jah know me I do good, that's why me there. Up till to the day. Me not have to look behind me, look side of me. And no weapon that rise against me shall prosper. That's why you see me there today holy. Me pa around Gully and me pa around Gaza and me live on the Gully. My brother a Gully him say. And music me I deal with them, I reach around the Gaza, you know. Come I plan to play everybody music, no segregation in the music.
And nobody on the Gully there pre.
Pre me?
Yeah.
What you mean? So when me I go home at daytime, nobody no look for me. Young boy, some people like, oh that Gaza man. I just want to make straight. More time when me I come down, me I ride all a bike from me touch man in the road, man. High rival when me I come across the bridge, man. Straight up. Me no want no talking. Cause one talking you gonna make it could have cause distraction. So me just keep on moving. You see me, if nothing I go on down the bank same way, me go pull up and hold my joy and hold my fun same way. Cause when they run Cartel, you know, you see me you have to make money, you know. As a youth I grow up, it's all about the bread. That's why today, up till today, me no ramp with the bread. Me work hard, me never beg. You see what me I say? What me I gonna do? Stay up on the gully side like some man? And I wait for a handout. Me no grow so. So me have to go out there go look food. You see what me I say? Or you think me can start fly around the place and meet some different type of species? Eh?
Species.
Yeah, no, yeah, some species of people.
Oh my
see me
God.
say?
Reptilians.
Yeah, some reptilians.
Some different type of species you meet out there, man. You can't depend on the gully and meet them type of people. You see me I say? From you have to go out there. You have to soar. So by round Egyptian, round Kartel, round Mavado, round Anthony B, round Beanie Man. Cause when I surf the road at daytime, you know, from I go Jaro, then I go down a Kartel, then I go Beanie Man Suda down a Mario C. You see me I say? Then I will go around a Q45. You see me? Then I reach down a Waterhouse, down a Baby G and jam to them. You see me? Cause when I roam the road, I go all studio, then I go around a Shocking Vibes. You see me I say? Yeah, cause I remember me one of my favorite kid them in the street, you know. We used to do promotion for artists, you know.
Yeah.
The biggest set of artists. The last song, I'm supposed to promote. I write here, so the lady give me, you know, about 500 CD. Popcorn song. Popcorn are the only man she want. Around here, so me never forget. That little slim lady there.
Right, yes, sir.
Right round here, so. She give me 500 other song they for go run the road with. You see me? So we are youth, we always a circle, come at the studio, we pick up some CD, and we get one piece of food, 30 grand and 20 grand, and we gonna run the road with it. We don't wait for people. That's why you see we out there, we go down a Kartel, a man might want a dub plate, him can't get to Kartel, me can't get to him, me I'll get to him. A man want a dub from Vado, him don't know how to link Vado, him not link, me come from up there, him a go link me. Me not afraid to go link Vado, me I go link Vado. Me and Vado never have no disagreement yet. I just the people them around the thing, you know, make it look like say we have a dispute, you know. But if me pick up my phone now, me can call Vado. I have me text Kartel in him IG, if him feel like response, me response. You see me I say? Call me every artist good. You see me?
You can call Vado now for real call.
Oh, you mean?
Alright, say hi to Vado. Call Vado make Eric can say hi.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
No joke like that. A serious thing. Yeah, man.
Don't do that.
One gully, man.
Yeah.
Nothing change, man. I'm not sell out, man. Them know say me real and genuine, you know. No cure them a overthink and I wonder. Quick cook a realest thing pan the gully. Never sell out. You know much of them sell out, boy, yeah? And ropes up and can't come back. We keep it real. No cure see them a go on a ban me ban a cassava piece. Me not take no bus.